chilling, okay? Welcome back to another vlog. It's Monday. I just washed my hair, so I'm feeling great. I'm about to make this TikTok viral ghost latte. I have everything I need for it. I've just been waiting to make it because I want to make a reel. I don't know why I didn't do a practice run. Hopefully I get it in the first take. You make the ghosts using marshmallow fluff and then just make the eyes and mouth with a Sharpie or a marker. I don't have any plastic cups, so I'm going to use a glass cup and an erasable marker. This is my setup because I don't have an aesthetic kitchen. This is what I have to do. I did it, but I want to do it again because I feel like I could make the ghosts better. I feel like I could make more of them too, especially because this was my first time. It looks good, but I'm like, I could do this better. I'm such a perfectionist like that, but it's cute, but I could have fit a ghost down here. I mean, this was a lot of fun to make. I'm really excited to drink it. And then the eyes on this one are kind of like coming off. I poured the ice in first and I should have drew the faces first. I just forgot because the condensation is kind of messing them up. But I think I could do a better job drawing the faces too. Like, what is going on here? I did not draw the face like that. The face is like moving around because of the condensation. The ghosts are becoming tipsy, but I feel like I need to mix the fluff into the coffee. So cute! I refilmed the ghost latte. It came out better the second time. I just finished editing it, so I'm gonna post it today. I just decided I want to recreate another Pinterest pic in my car, so that's what I'm about to do. I just put on this sweater I got from the TikTok shop. It's a Taylor Swift 1989 sweater, and I haven't filmed any content with it yet, so I figured I would do that today. I'm wearing my platform minis. This is the inspo. Something where you can see the 1989 though. I made it to my location and I think I found a pretty good spot. I was driving around for a while, but this should be pretty easy. I mean, I said that last time, but I feel like the more experience I get with recreating these Pinterest photos, the better I should get, so we'll see. I have my tripod, just like last time. I couldn't recreate these pictures without it, so I'm just gonna try to level it and then move this back. Hold on, let me put some lip gloss on first. So I'm gonna take a video and zoom it out on 0.5. All right, let's look at it. Okay, it looks cute. Let's see, I could have like, oh, my foot looks like it's broken. Okay, I got it, yay! I just got to Target because I want to pick up a black jumbo stick so I can recreate this Halloween look. This is another eyelash curler hack and I want to recreate it with my black gems that I have. I was gonna film this today until I realized I needed a black crayon, so I'm gonna grab that right now. And then I should be done for the day. I need to edit some videos still. This one smells really good. I just got back from doing 12-3-30 at my apartment gym and Victor and Rolf sent me their new flower bomb fragrance. It's the Ruby Orchid. I'm excited to smell this. I can smell it already without even opening it. It smells good. Let's smell her. Ooh, it smells good. Oh my gosh. This is right up my alley. Okay. Ooh, it smells good. I like this. I'm about to start my base makeup so I can film this clown makeup hack. I'm using these gems I got off of Amazon like 3 years ago. They're like holding on for dear life. I think I ordered them during the pandemic, but I have some black ones right here that I'm gonna use. Bro, this is like not a hack. Okay, so 5 hours later, I'm finally done and I just don't even know if I'm going to edit and post this because This just did not come out as good as I thought it was going to. I don't think this is a hack. I know I could have made this look better if I just drew the lines myself. So on to the next. I am a little upset, of course, because I did spend at least a good hour creating this look because I didn't want to give up, even though in the beginning I kind of knew I probably should have. Sometimes it's good to push through because it will come out better than I think it will, but that wasn't the case for this look. It's just scary. And I wasn't trying to look scary, I was trying to look cute, okay? Look how cute this girl looks. Hold on. I guess I did it wrong, but I didn't do it wrong with the double horns. Like, that one was really easy. I feel like if it's a hack, it should be easy, and yeah, I kind of fucked it up. I mean, maybe I can try again by just drawing it myself and trying to make it look cute, but I'm just over it at this point. My camera is about to die. Hopefully you don't have nightmares after watching this. Happy Wednesday, today's a new day, so I'm gonna try to recreate this pirate makeup look. I was thinking that I was gonna try to recreate yesterday's clown look, but that just took so much energy out of me that I'm just gonna try that clown look again probably tomorrow. Because I just would be really upset if it came out horrible again. This pirate look seems pretty easy. All I need is a scarf, some hair jewelry that I'm gonna put on my braids, and then I'm gonna draw a line through my brow. Someone was live streaming Britney Spears' new book on Audible on TikTok Live, so I was just listening to that while I was editing my content, and it got pretty juicy. She almost played the whole book, but she stopped at like chapter 30, and there's like 40 something chapters, so I almost got to listen to the whole book. Okay, this one's actually turning out good. Like, thank God. This one actually came out so good. I'm so happy. Yesterday was just so scary, and today we made up for it. So I'm really happy, and that gives me hope for tomorrow. I think I'm definitely gonna redo yesterday's look, but make it look cute instead of scary. I bought the scarf and the hair jewelry off of Amazon a while ago, so I didn't have to buy anything for this look. I'm about to film my Poppy Old Fashioned. Hopefully this doesn't take me nearly as long as my pirate look took me. This is the shot. The sun is giving what it needs to give. The sun disappeared before I even started, so I'm just gonna have to wait a little bit longer for it to come back out. It's a little frustrating, but I'm gonna start to edit my pirate video in the meantime. Good morning, it's about 10:30. I went on my hot girl walk this morning, and I just got back from Trader Joe's, so I have a little haul. I finally went early enough to get my hash browns. I would have gotten more than 2 if they didn't have a limit, but they just last me forever, so it's fine. I didn't get to film my cocktail yesterday because the sun just never came back, so I'm gonna shoot to film that earlier today around 3 o'clock. I spent less than $50, which I was surprised. Trader Joe's prices are just amazing. So I got this gyoza dipping sauce. I haven't tried this. And then I love their bread. I got the almost everything Tuscan. I also picked up these Chinese style pork buns. I love these, but I've never tried them from Trader Joe's before, so I hope they're actually good. And then I also picked up some chicken cilantro mini wontons. These sounded good. I got a bunch of junk food, I guess. I picked up a bunch of easy frozen food. I've never tried their pepperoni pizza, surprisingly, since I'm a pizzaholic. These chicken gyoza pot stickers to go with the sauce. Haven't tried those either. And then I got these chicken breakfast sausage patties. I haven't tried these either. I got a lot of new stuff in this haul that I've never tried. And then everything else I've had before, these mini chicken tacos. These are really good if you have them with salsa. And then I picked up some of the chicken soup dumplings, and then my hash browns, of course. I just finished getting ready, and I decided I want to recreate 2 car Pinterest pics. So this is the inspo for my first picture. Super basic and cute, but I have a sweatsuit that I bought from Target, and I don't have any pictures in it yet. It's super comfy, so I'm gonna wear this with my New Balances, and then I wanna recreate this picture in my juicy tracksuit that I bought for my bachelorette party, and I hardly ever wear it. It was so expensive. It was like $100 for each piece, the top and the bottom, so $200 together. But I wanna wear my pink Converse and my pink hat. And yeah, I think it's gonna come out really good. What I love about both of these pictures is that neither of their faces are showing, so I'm going to try to recreate that as well. I mean, I did my makeup, I did a light beat just in case. I'm loving the car pics right now, as you can tell. I really like this one too, where her shoes are like the focal point. Okay, so I just came to my apartment parking deck because the sun is out today and I didn't feel like driving around, so I think this is perfect. I brought my change of clothes, so I'm just gonna change in the car after I get this first shot. This should be pretty easy. I am going to sit in the passenger seat, and this is like the third time I'm doing this, so I'm just getting super comfortable now. We're changing outfits, okay? This is in my way right now, but I got accepted to the Dyson Airwrap campaign. It's like their new ceramic pop color. And I was so surprised because I feel like everything has been selling out on this app, and every time I apply for something, they just sell out and I'm not able to get it. I've applied for this Dr. Dennis Gross Light Up Faceware Pro LED device kit like 5 or 6 times, and every time I get a notification that says they ran out because it was so popular. So I thought that was gonna happen with the Dyson, but I just got a notification saying that I was accepted, which I was really shocked because I almost didn't even apply for it, because my sisters gifted me the Dyson that I have for my bachelorette party, and that was very sweet of them. But this one's like a newer one, and I'm just like, what the heck? I was not expecting that. But yeah, this one should be pretty cool and I'm excited to use it. It says awaiting shipping right now, so I wonder how long it's gonna be before it actually gets here. Okay, so this is the vibe. She's like chilling. I need to hurry up because my vlogging camera is gonna die, but she's like this. Straight up chilling, okay? All right, I got the shot for the first one, but I'm trying to figure out how I want my hair for the second one because I'm gonna be wearing this hat, but I feel like my hair looks crazy right now. I have a claw clip in to hold it up. Let me see if I got it. I have to pee. Okay, my hair looks decent down. And I also discovered that trying to copy their exact pose doesn't always work, so I'm just kind of like trying to improvise too. We're gonna try this again. I got the shots! All right, time to go home. I finally finished. It's about 3:20, but it's 5 o'clock somewhere, so I'm gonna have the first sip. The drink came out really good. I mean, aesthetic-wise, because I haven't tried it yet, but I used my heart-shaped mold, and I have this edible glitter that I put in it. I probably could have put more, but I'm having an old-fashioned, and it's not even 4 o'clock, so cheers. This is called a poppy fashioned, so it's essentially an old-fashioned, but I just added some orange poppy to it. Ooh, this might get me into trouble. Happy Monday. I just got to the mall because I'm gonna go to American Eagle and pick up these Christmas pajamas. Alexis bought these a few weeks ago and she influences me to buy almost everything, so I want to get a pair for myself. And then I also saw they have these really cute cargo pants. They're jeans and they're high-waisted, which is perfect. I don't have any cargo pants like this, so if these fit nice, then I'm definitely gonna have to get them. Look how cute they look. And then I might pop into Sephora because I have had my eye on the One Size setting powder. I've heard amazing things about it and I don't own anything from One Size, so I think it's about time. Especially because my skin is so oily and I have large pores. I feel like it would work amazing with my skin, so I think I'm gonna pick that up today. I don't have anything in my wardrobe with stripes on it, so I might also pop into H&M and see if they have anything like that. This week's vlog is a little bit longer because I just posted my realistic week of curly hair care, so I'm just putting last week's vlog and this week's together. I just remembered I also need to go to Best Buy and buy a new charger for my Mac because my old one just doesn't work. Like, I literally have to just like hit it for it to work. It's just super finicky and old. I was looking online on Amazon at a few like knockoff options, but some of the reviews were kind of scary, saying that they like almost exploded on them or like burnt out, like almost causing a fire. So Mac chargers are just so freaking expensive. I think it's like $100 just for a charger, which is ridiculous. cute, but the material is not soft, and I thought the arms were gonna be longer. But I think I'm gonna get this one because I have this in 2 different colors, black and brown, and I like how the arms on this are really long because I have long arms and they're long for me, so. And it's only $12.99. We're in the middle of fall and it's 82 degrees. I'm sweating. So I went to American Eagle and I tried on those cargo pants. I tried on a 4 and they're just too big. So I tried on a 2 and they were too tight and they weren't as high rise as I would have liked. So I didn't get them, and I could definitely feel a difference in the quality versus my Abercrombie jeans that I'm wearing right now. These ones are a lot thicker, so I didn't end up getting them. I was able to feel the quality of the PJs. They didn't have any more of the pink or purple color left. I think it's listed as pink, but it's actually purple. But the quality on those PJs are actually pretty thin too. I was like expecting them to be better quality. So I don't know if I want those anymore. I ended up getting the 1 size powder. Oh, I went to H&M and I got this, as you saw, the white turtleneck. But I'm really excited to try this. And H&M is charging for bags now. It's only 10 cents, but I'm like, you can go ahead and put it in my Sephora bag. Thank you. TJ Maxx was nice enough to send me a $50 gift card, so I need to pay TJ Maxx a visit soon. And I also have another gift card that I need to use from a return. This is probably like about $30. It's 7 p.m. I just got done filming this last minute Halloween costume idea. It looks a little weird because my hair's up, but I still think it looks cute. Took me a few tries like they always do, but I didn't give up and I am almost done editing my video right now. I just need to make a voiceover for it. I tried the 1 size powder before I started filming and it is no joke. I was immediately impressed, and it says it lasts up to like 18 hours or something. So I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't know it claimed to last that long, which is perfect for me because I was so freaking oily and greasy. This is matte for me. But I applied it like an hour ago or so. But yeah, these gave me some trouble because I had so many flyaways and then I had to add some product. I don't know what I was thinking not adding product. And then I needed to braid them tighter because they just were too loose to even stand up. Maybe I could have done them a little bit more forward now that I think about it, but I still think they look cute. I didn't think I was gonna do one more Halloween look, but 'tis the season. Happy Wednesday. I'm in my PJs because I'm about to film some outfits. These are the outfits I'm gonna film. I have 3, and yes, I wore my Christmas PJs last night. Don't judge me. Yesterday was Halloween, but it just felt like another day, so I didn't vlog. I just created content, and my husband and I went to the gym. I took down our Halloween decorations this morning, and my Dyson came in the mail last night. I haven't opened it yet. I'm gonna wait until I actually use it. I don't want this vlog to be too long, so I'm gonna end it here and start a new one. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms, and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel for weekly vlogs. I'll see you next week.